Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, your financial struggles just won't go away? Trust me, you're not alone. Staying motivated when you're facing money problems can feel like climbing a mountain without an end in sight. But what if I told you there's a way to turn this struggle into your biggest source of strength? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to keep pushing forward even when times are tough. Life can be tough when money is tight. The stress, the worrying, and the endless cycle of feeling like you're falling behind can take a toll on your mental health, relationships, and even your dreams. But here's the thing, financial struggles don't have to define you. In today's video, I'm going to share practical tips and mindset shifts to help you stay motivated even when your bank account doesn't look the way you want it to. These are the same strategies that successful people use to rise above tough times. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Focus on what you can control. The first step is to shift your focus. When money is tight, it's easy to feel powerless. But instead of worrying about what you can't control like the economy or unexpected bills, focus on what you can. Set micro goals. Break down your financial goals into small, manageable steps. For example, instead of stressing over a $5,000 debt, aim to save $50 this week. Small wins build momentum. Cut expenses you don't need. Look at your spending and find areas where you can save, like subscriptions or dining out. It's empowering to know you're taking action. This simple shift from panic to planning can give you a sense of control and purpose. Segment 2. Surround yourself with positivity. When you're struggling financially, negativity can feel like it's everywhere. But the truth is, your mindset is your most powerful tool. Motivational content, watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read books that inspire you to keep going. Stories of people who've overcome financial hardship can remind you that better days are possible. Support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. If you don't have that support, online communities or forums can provide a sense of connection and hope. Segment 3. Develop a hustler's mentality. Instead of seeing financial struggles as a setback, look at them as an opportunity to grow. Ask yourself, what can I do right now to change my situation? Learn new skills. There are countless free resources online to help you develop new skills. These could lead to a better paying job or even a side hustle. Embrace the gig economy. From freelancing to selling unused items online, there are many ways to earn extra income. Every little bit helps, and it also builds your confidence. Celebrate small wins. Did you save $20 this week? Amazing. Did you stick to your budget for a month? That's worth celebrating too. Build a gratitude practice. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than lack. Segment 5. Visualize your better future. When times are tough, it's hard to see the light at the end of the tunnel. But visualization can be a game changer. Create a vision board. Include pictures of what financial success looks like to you, whether it's a debt-free life, a dream home, or even a vacation. Daily affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations like, I am in control of my finances, or every day, I'm moving closer to my goals. Visualization keeps you motivated and focused on what's possible. Conclusion. Financial struggles are tough, but they don't have to break you. With the right mindset and practical steps, you can turn your challenges into opportunities for growth. Remember, success is not about where you start, it's about where you're going. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and take it one step at a time. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you achieve financial freedom. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're doing today to stay motivated?